G'day there, it's Len here from Intense Outdoors. Just want to let you know that this month of June, we've got a sale on camping, cookware and kitchenware. So if you're heading outdoors this month, you're getting out on your adventures, you need some gear, we've got it here for you. We've got Cedar Summit stuff that's 15% off, and then we've got Optimus, 360 and Soto stoves and cookware as well, that's 20% off. So if you want to make the most of it and head outdoors and grab yourself a bargain, get yourself to intenseoutdoors.co.nz and you'll find the stuff there.